My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As you can see, man, it been a minute, man. It been 4 days, 5 days, Cari crew, man. I apologize, man. I've been, you know what I'm saying? Life been lifing, you feel me? So, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me, man. My boys, excuse me. But hey, man, y'all see we back in action with it, you know what I'm saying? Back in action with it. Get off my tail, bro. God. You can't never just drive around them mud, man. Fully all on your ass, like acting like they must got some great insurance. No, they ain't got no great insurance. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can see, man, we in the neighborhood right now. You know what I'm saying? We in custom mode. Oh, I'm talking sport. I ain't mean to put it in sport. Save a look at just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. As y'all can see, man, we in a slight little hood with it, man. You know what I'm saying? We in a little neighborhood with it. Come through here, just make a little noise. Give y'all boys a POV, man. I feel bad, Cari crew. It's been so long, bro. But y'all hear Olivia, man. Y'all hear Olivia making that noise. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? But y'all see what we doing, man. Y'all see what we doing. I turned my blinker on in the neighborhood. I'm tripping. Y'all see what we got going, man. I don't even know what to say. It been so long, Cari crew. It feels so weird, man. I ain't mean to leave y'all boy hanging that long. It only been 4 days though, but still. Y'all know how I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I post every day, if not every other day, you feel me? Y'all little stick 'em. Stick 'em! I ain't did that in a minute, man. Ain't did that one in a minute. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned though, cause I definitely, you know what I'm saying, drifting every turn will be coming soon. Perfect area, you know what I'm saying? Look at buddy flying. Coming through that bed flying. Make sure you little boy wave before you cross the street, bud. Let's see what's going on, man. Like I said, something slight though, bro. You know, something slight. I'm just going off the dome with it. I'm a little rusty. Man. Feel like I ain't just talked to the camera in a while. But I had to tap in with y'all boys, man. Get y'all boys a nice little, you know what I'm saying, POV drop. Something calm, nothing too crazy. We gonna get lit, you know what I'm saying, Cari crew? We gonna get lit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just trust the process, you feel me? Trust the process. I keep using my blinkers, bro. What's up with me today, bro? Olivia sounds amazing. All 4 windows are cracked, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go this way. I can't even see what's down that hill, you know what I mean? Probably ain't even nothing right now. house full of Chargers. And now one of them was an 8-cylinder. Mopar no car, nigga. Alright. But car crew, man, I got something in store for y'all, boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Nighttime POV drive, man. Next nighttime POV drive, y'all boy gonna see something looking smooth, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have something looking smooth. We're gonna get into the street though, man. We'll get into the street with it. So y'all have something to look at. I ain't gonna go too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, y'all just listen to them pops, man. Ooh. I don't know, y'all can hear them pops, bro. Hold on, let me get y'all boy right. But yeah, car crew, man. I see y'all boy being, you know what I'm saying, active in the comments, active in the likes. I like it. You feel me? I like it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy keep doing that, bro. You know what I'm saying? It mean a lot when y'all comment. Just let me know that y'all really tuned in. You feel me? Like, folk really watching, not folk just clicking on the video and click off the video. Like, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You at least watching the video, you feel me? Like, you gotta do that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hear that dude looking solid. What the hell is that? There go another scat right there. He ain't talking about nothing. He ain't talking about nothing. Y'all hear the burbles. I know we ain't in sport. If I was in sport mode, it'd be crazy. Sport mode, it'd be crazy. It's so hot outside, car crew, bro. 91 degrees, man. And that's just what the car say. That ain't what the law say. That's just what the car say, now. Come on. Bro, look at this. Man, what are you doing? Bro, I could have been. Why are you turning so slow? They still turning slow here. Man, bro, come on, bro. Alright, bitch. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. You know I'm finna hit that bitch, huh? It done made me mad. These niggas done made me mad, man. They wonder why Mopar nigga be driving the way we drive. Y'all get the hell out of the way. Get the hell out of the way. See the big dually truck, he was like, damn, boy. Hey, man, tell your folks to get out of the way. Folks all in the way. I ain't got my way, man. Driving with her whole mouth open, boy. Shawty got her whole mouth open. Like, damn, it. You might got sinuses or something. Let me stop. Well, yeah, man. I'm just rambling, y'all, so y'all don't mind me. I'm just going with the flow. But yeah, man. We back, man. As y'all can see. I see we back with it. Back with it, man. But I had to get a video, bro. I was looking at my stuff like, bro, it been 4 days, going on 5 days, bro. And somebody had commented, what really woke me up, I was already woke, but what really woke me up, somebody commented on my last video, was like, a nigga was like, what is summer content at? I said, damn. I said, boy, I'm sleeping, ain't I? We still got July. Don't worry. We still got July. Summer just getting started. We still got July, man. We still got July, my boy. We still got July. But y'all hear hear that, bro. Like, ooh. Talk to me nice. Look at this, bro. What's up with all the handicap stickers, bro? Like, ooh, wee. But I know y'all hear them pop, bro. They sound way better in person. But I know y'all hear. I hope y'all can, bro. I hope y'all can hear them, bro. That must sound amazing. And now you hitting the brakes, bro. Turn your blinker on the sun. Yeah. And then you get right back where you were. Bro, what's up with these folks, man? Come on, bro. What's up with these niggas, bro? These niggas hitting the brakes. These niggas don't know where they want to go. Like, look at that, man. Yeah. Hey, nigga can't even cruise around that bitch. Nigga can't even cruise around that bitch. Yeah, car crew, man. I just want to get y'all a quick little POV. I know it ain't nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Just, hey, I'm staying consistent. That's the most key important part. Bangers definitely coming, but staying consistent is just as important. You know what I mean? It's just as important. I'm finna grab me something to eat though, you know what I mean? That's really why I came outside. I'm finna grab something to eat right quick, you know what I mean? And then, yeah. Ain't gonna be just like that. But yeah, man, I just wanted to hit y'all, boy, with a little, you know what I'm saying? Quick little POV, man. Something slight, nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all, boy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, my fault. Make sure y'all, boy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy, you know what I'm saying? And like I also say in the end of my video, man, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you could touch it, car crew. Better video will be on the way. There was just something really, you know, so I took advantage because I was gonna get in the car anyway to go do something. So I was like, why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not just, you know, get right? You know what I'm saying? Why not just get right? But yeah, man. I mean, I'm trying to get it like a piece of hair or something. Story. But yeah, man. But like I said though, nighttime POV, it may be today. Okay, it's so hot outside, bro. I might have to record only at night. But you know what I'm saying? Nighttime POV, man. Coming soon, man. I got some in store for y'all, boy. They're going, you know what I'm saying? Add a nice little touch, you know what I'm saying, to the nighttime POV, you feel me? But yeah, man. So like I was saying, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? I know we ain't perfect, but you can always strive to be better, you know what I'm saying? It's a process. Looking forward and not looking back, you know what I'm saying? So let's see y'all boy do that. I know the video feel like it kind of throw together a little bit. Hopefully y'all just still enjoy car crew, man, because y'all car crew, man. Y'all already know how I rock. Y'all know how we get down, man. Bangers definitely on the way. But I had to come in and, you know what I'm saying, break that streak, man, of not posting. So y'all know how I do, man. Staying consistent always, best way I can, you feel me? So make sure y'all boy keep hitting that like button, man. Get the video to 100 likes, every video to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I ain't really got too much else to say. But like I also say, man, not the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.